This is the brief on streamlining metric compliance using confident LIMS. So if you're a lab manager or on a QA team, you know the drill with Metrc, right? It's the required track and trace system. But manually keying in package IDs and uploading COAs, it's a huge drain. It slows down turnaround and honestly, it's a major risk during audits. Well, Confident LIMS treats Metrc as a direct data source, which totally automates the whole workflow from end to end. This episode was generated with AI from a Confident LIMS blog post. Okay, so first up, eliminating double data entry. Instead of manually typing out a Metrc manifest, the LIMS just pulls that data automatically. And just like that, it converts everything into samples and test orders inside the system, keeping all the critical IDs and batch info. Your team gets to skip right past the most common errors and get straight to the analysis. Now, the second takeaway is where it gets really powerful. One-click compliance. Once QA has approved the results, with a full audit trail and everything, you can upload those results and COAs right back to Metrc in a single click. But here's the kicker. That same click also sends the COAs to your clients. They get instant access to their results, they can print compliant labels, and they can even track their own analytics. Think of all the status calls that cuts down on. At the end of the day, an integrated LIMS gives you full traceability and turns Metrc from a headache into a real operational advantage.